Picture this. 66 million years ago, a 6-mile wide asteroid is hurtling toward Earth at nearly 45,000 miles an hour. This is supposed to be it, the day the dinosaurs die. But tonight, we're changing one tiny detail. What if it just missed? A few degrees off course, and the biggest bullet in Earth's history sails harmlessly past. No impact, no fireball, no apocalypse. Just a very lucky Tuesday. So what happens the next morning? Honestly, nothing. The sun rises like normal. A triceratops wakes up, stretches, and goes looking for breakfast. Completely unaware, it just dodged the biggest bullet in planetary history. No ash-choked skies, no mass extinction, no 99% of life wiped out. Just another ordinary day in the Cretaceous. Life didn't end that day. It just kept rolling right along. Now let's fast forward a few million years because evolution never stops working. With no extinction event resetting the clock, dinosaurs kept evolving, and they got weird. Feathers turned vibrant, colors got bolder. Some grew crests, frills, patterns you'd expect on a tropical bird, not a giant reptile. Basically, imagine a velociraptor that also moonlights as a peacock. Nature had all the time in the world to show off, and it did. Here's where things get really interesting. Bigger brains started showing up, then came curiosity, then tools. Somewhere along the way, a dinosaur picked up a sharp rock, looked at it, and thought, I could do something with this. Fast forward again, and you've got dinosaurs solving problems, testing ideas, maybe even asking the same question we are right now. What's actually out there beyond our world? And when dinosaurs finally started building, they didn't bulldoze forests for concrete jungles. They built inside them. Imagine cities grown into the trunks of massive ancient trees, homes connected by living vines, glowing with natural light instead of electricity. No traffic, no pollution. Just architecture that actually cooperated with nature, instead of steamrolling it. Honestly, our city planners could probably learn something here. Now, about us. Our ancestors back then were small, twitchy little shrew-like creatures, built for one skill: staying hidden. And in this timeline, that's exactly where they stay. With dinosaurs ruling the planet and getting smarter every generation, there's no big opening for mammals to take over. So somewhere out there, our great-great-great-grandparents are just living quietly under a leaf. Sorry, humanity. This might not be our story after all, but the land isn't the only place things are thriving. Down in the oceans, mosasaurs rule, like royalty, sleek, massive, and gliding through water so clean, it practically glows. No plastic drifting by, no polluted runoff, just apex predators cruising through crystal clear seas, like they own the place. Which, let's be honest, they kinda do. Give any species enough time, and eventually they look up and think, what's up there? So in this world, dinosaurs eventually build their own space age, except theirs runs on clean energy and biological materials instead of fossil fuels. No smokestacks, no emissions, just solar-powered airships and rockets that basically grow instead of getting manufactured. Turns out, the first species to reach the stars might have done it a lot cleaner than we're managing. So let's jump all the way to today, the year 2026. No skyscrapers, no highways, no traffic, no smog, no plastic in the ocean. Just endless untouched forests, rivers you could drink straight from, and skies so clear you can actually see the stars at night. Turns out the planet doesn't necessarily need us to succeed. It might just need a slightly luckier asteroid. So there you have it. One tiny shift in trajectory, 66 million years ago, and the entire story of life on Earth plays out completely differently. Which brings me to the big question I want to leave you with. If the dinosaurs had survived instead of us, do you think they would have taken better care of this planet than we have? I am genuinely curious what you think. Let me know in the comments. And until next time, keep asking, what if?